Panda Express has a new limited edition spicy Wagyu beef dumpling, but I have one problem with it. It's not very spicy. I like the idea of a sticky sauce and a juicy filling, but we gotta have some spice. So today, we're gonna make this dish again, but at home and better. Whether you've made dumplings before or not, this recipe is one you'll want to try. Each bite is packed with dynamic flavor and goes beyond your standard dumpling. Let's get cooking! Chop 1 bunch of green onions, mince 1 teaspoon of ginger, and prepare 2 cups of kale. Dice 1 white onion, mince 2 garlic cloves for the sauce, add 1 pound of ground Wagyu beef, 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing cooking wine, 1.5 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, half tablespoon cornstarch, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon water, and mix it all together. Also add 1 teaspoon of white pepper. For the sauce, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon spicy chili paste, 2 tablespoons of Chinese black vinegar, 1 tablespoon of chili oil, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, half tablespoon sesame seeds, and mix. Let's wrap it all together. We'll prep a small dish with 5 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This will be our glue. Take a circular dumpling wrapper and add about 1.5 tablespoons of our filling into the center. Use your finger and wet the edges of the wrapper. Fold in half from the center to start, and then using the rest of the edge, fold one of the halves over itself for about 2 to 3 times, on the left and right side as seen. Make sure to squeeze the folds together to seal the dumpling. This is how you get that iconic shape. It might take a couple tries to get used to it, but once you've made a couple, you'll be wrapping dumplings in no time. We can set these aside on a parchment paper covered tray, and repeat. This recipe makes about 45 dumplings, way more than what you'll be getting at Panda Express. Let's cook some up. On a pan set to high heat, add some neutral oil, we'll brown our white onion, and then our kale for about 2 minutes. Set this aside and drain any residual water. Heat up the pan once again to high heat and our dumplings. Add about 2 tablespoons of water, then add a lid and allow to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes, or until you see the water fully evaporate off. We'll make sure the bottom is nice and brown, toss it a bit and set aside. Add the sauce mixture, and stir the sauce until it increases in viscosity. It should be a nice sticky and gooey texture. The last step is to toss it all together and serve it on a bed of onion and kale. And boom, you have Panda Express limited edition spicy Wagyu beef dumplings. But even better, these are delicious. The sauce is so sticky and complementary of the dumpling flavors, it's a unique way to serve dumplings. Here are today's ingredients. If we compare our spicy Wagyu beef dumplings, we can see that the cost of one serving comes to about $2. Total, we spent about $12 on all the ingredients. That makes 45 dumplings. This saves us so much more money when compared to the $10 I paid for this serving of Panda Express. And while Panda Express is great, saving money while still enjoying delicious spicy dumplings is too. If these look delicious, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and let me know down in the comments what your favorite food dish is.